Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the recorder type that fits your workflow: standalone, camcorder, or external SSD recorder. Once chosen, make sure the unit has the ports you need: HDMI or SDI for cameras, USB-C for computers, and that batteries and power options match your shoot. Buy the correct media and spare batteries. Format one card in the recorder. Once that's done, charge everything and update firmware so you avoid compatibility issues when you connect to camera or computer. You now configure the recorder's core settings to match your project. Start by selecting resolution and frame rate, 4K or 1080p, and the frame rate that matches your intended delivery. Then pick a codec and bitrate that balance quality versus storage. Once done, route and test audio inputs and set timecode and file naming conventions so files stay organized. Make sure to format the media inside the recorder and run a short test clip. You finish by running a complete end-to-end test. Record a representative clip, play it back on the recorder, then transfer files to your edit system and confirm integrity. Once satisfied, label and backup media to at least one external drive and keep spare batteries ready. If something goes wrong, first check cables and connections, reformat the card in the recorder, and reboot the device. If issues persist, reset settings to defaults and reapply your configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.